anka nipa bi ene nke ba be ministers omo na nka obetina cabinet omo na nka omo be take decisions omo na nka omo be hwe musika asem so omo na omo be hwe ede mu nnwuma asem so senka MPP wini ya the same people you are seeing today with the MPP echi ewo mo ho sekan so wo MPP for na obufu a I know waka kire wo say why ya de unim say senka MPP wini ya all these people sankofo we sankofo mo TV see monim reye now look at this me say me no ka assembly and this story and they know in the next 10 years sankofo mo party 2020 me can some way ma amount for di matem is about the 52 billion Ghana cedis. South time in dollars, almost $12 billion or 10 billion. 52 billion ana a year revenue ayajiji. Ye the court be a friend of transit account. Ye Ghana Commercial Bank. Na a free one the same day na kwa Bank of Ghana. That's the central bank which belongs to you and I. A constitution here the Bank of Ghana. It's Bank of Ghana dey be da hobia ya me no dia. The Bank of Ghana boka eba me no mienu triso. Now, your revenue ya jiji no Ghana nyina no, income tax den airport port any sa revenue aban jibia abaye ni nyina at the end of every day no ya jiji ni nyina na move sika ni nyina de akọ commercial bank Ghana Commercial Bank. Ye bie account or how your friend slip account and I say transit account. Sa account na ye be insia. Into different revenues ni nyina edu ope na atom na from akoto Bank of Ghana na akoto ye ni account mu under MPP me be scandal ka kire mu say sa sika 52 billion sa account ni sika ni free bank commercial bank ya gigi no Temaport airport bibia no sa sika ni do Ghana Commercial Bank e was a slip koto Bank of Ghana mu no Satana Oforiata or your finance minister, he's got nothing to do with this. He's not supposed to interfere in that. That money, Ghana Revenue Authority for Omonomne Commercial Bank for Edin in Sawoswo, Nasikanoko. What happened was 52 billion Ghana cedis drew on Ira. This is 2020 before elections. And I'm be breaking story no. Be breaking story na me document count. I added this document to the story. And I'm trying to say, the Auditor General, Dumelivo, ako audit Ghana Commercial Bank, ako audit Ghana Bank of Ghana. Would say, minu mienu, ye taxes na ya jeno. Sa sikana nka also a top commercial bank, na ekoto Bank of Ghana. Sa sikano in the process of in the process of transiting to Bank of Ghana, no. Sa sikana ira. So I came to put this document and other documents on my show to tell Ghana for say the unknown destination into the Auditor General who say no. Sa time asikana beda Ghana Commercial Bank no can oforiata na onise or interfere in the transfer or the amount no can oforiata at a point was involved. And the Auditor General Dumelivo Busom say Sa sika we yagigea finance minister de uni eni edwuma bia Ghana Revenue Authority omni Ghana Commercial Bank no monitor ma sa sika we call Bank of Ghana den na kind of rata be ka sa monitoring no enti the former Auditor General Dumelivo investigations nyina wie no be hu say 52 billion eni document we na beto na 5th October 2020 5th October 2020 me na me breaking story way first in Ghana. They insulted me. Now, MP before your argument, be a good point. We almost say, now Bank of Ghana and Kasankasa Kurano, how much is Bank of Ghana worth? You can buy a car for 2 million Ghana and not 200,000 Ghana. That car, it can carry 50 billion. Do you know that? You can build a house for $400,000. That house, after you are done with the house, so updated, it can turn to become $7 billion. Do you know that? Bank of Ghana might have all its assets at maybe 2 billion. But there are so many things a Bank of Ghana deals in. Every single money, the liquidity, Bank of Ghana, it might be bigger than Bank of Ghana 100 million times. MPP for Jimmy no Montiasie. Hey, na sika we na Bank of Ghana cry saying we kwasia we Jimmy. and I explained to Ghanaians. Say, Kenoforia tamwa fasika we di for free. When you're counting of Kenoforia to somebody Ghana, no. Yeah, this is part of it. MPP on pemasem nyina sa nyoma we ntina on pemasem. Ubusa MPP ni ba pa say Kevin Taylor ade na on penasem. Also didi atem. Na Kevin Taylor twatro. Oh, twatro ba didi atem kwasea. Into this document, we counting a Kenoforia so on Ghana. Into what kind document na? Maybe try to create a make asem way. A transfer of tax revenues by GCB to unknown sources. 52.5 billion Ghana cedis. That time, October 2020, $12 billion. A rai. Everything there, you who says cano. Into kind document now, Auditor General Koyana, the report now say, Regulation 12 of the Financial Administration Regulation 2004 stipulates, and I quote, a person entrusted with custodial duties for public and trust monies shall protect public and trust monies against unlawful diversion from their proper purposes and against accidental loss, and locate such money so as to facilitate the efficient and economical discharge of public financial business. End of quote. Auditor General Satchel saying the Ministry of Finance, the Ministry of Finance, in its quest to improve government revenue, engaged your services for the collection of tax revenue across the country. To ascertain the integrity of the banking agreement, we conducted a reconciliation of the flow of funds from the transit accounts into the designated Bank of Ghana holding accounts. Our examination of the transit account, our examination of the transit account bank statement in relation to tax revenue shows that your bank, that is Ghana Commercial Bank, your bank, contrary to the agreement for the funds to be transferred into designated Bank of Ghana holding account, transferred a total of 52 billion 537,175,778 Ghana 13 pesos to unknown sources over the under review. Now, the table below provides the summary of type of revenue transferred to unknown sources, the details of which is provided in our web portal. So, Auditor General, we and the report or Troy ni says Sikano Ayra. This is under MPP. I never say. Now, time I some way see, you know. This is what happened. This man, Nidin Eddie a year. When you look at the document, man, way your friend a year Mike Kofi Aflu. Mike Kofi Aflu. Now, oye ejuma bang. Now, this is what happened in 2020. Mr. Kofi Aflu, former president of the Chartered Institute of Taxation. He was the former president of the Chartered Institute of Taxation. Ghana and West African Union of Tax Institutes has revealed that his residence was raided when he launched an investigation into the 52.5 billion withdrawn and transferred from Ghana Commercial Bank to an unknown account in 2020. This man has granted an interview to Unia. Also, time as we see, you know, Onuna the former the president of Chartered Institute of Taxation, Ghana, West Africa. Ono decided say obe investigations because ono so or auditor. Send the fellow auditor to say the Auditor General I had this kind of investigations. He wanted to go deeper and see because now assembly hano as a Ghanaian. So he decided to also investigate. He decided to probe or see under MPP 2020 or try so best investigations. No, omo ba ni fie, omo be ransaki ni fie japagi, omo send nyoma nyina. In the name of wine, omo debi omo national security. That is what they did to this man. Do you know this man even went on further to petition the Kufuado about the money? Do you know? Yes. After they ransacking his home, almost send the fear nyoma in 2020. Now MPP what power no. Still, this man did not stop. he actually petitioned Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and said, Mr. President, I'm the president of Chartered Institute of Taxation. This money that is missing, 52 billion, which is in equivalent of $10 billion. You know, I want you to open an investigation because I am a Ghanaian. So this man actually petitioned the president. This is the petition. I'm sorry. This is the petition. He petitioned the president, Akufo-Addo. Bawumia saw this because he CC'd Bawumia, he CC'd the president, he CC'd every person in the NPP government. Omunyina copy. Date show 2nd November 2023, even 2023, a year to 2024 elections, or petition president, no. Say, Sasika no. Enti ushe letter na papa wei a yefra no eye Mr. Kofi Aflu. Now letter na otro koma Mr. President no enye. I am writing this petition as a citizen of Ghana. In a letter dated 5th October 2020 from the Audit Service to the Managing Director of GCB Bank, the Auditor General demanded the bank to explain why an amount of 52.5 billion was transferred from bank into an unknown account. Since then, the Auditor General has not provided any explanation to the Ghanaian taxpayer to explain, 1, who authorized the amount to be transferred by the bank or by the bank, 2, into what account the money transferred, 3, details of the recipient account and any related issues. Inti nyoma miensa na obusa President Akufo-Addo say, sa nyoma miensa we sika na ehine koye, accounts ben na sika ko tumu, and a nipa ben na we are connected to this account. Nyoma miensa and petition Akufo-Addo, Bawumia, or CC every single person who matters at the Jubilee House and the government, NPP are buying. Because you have always said the annual day, your press conference, or free for. When him says 2020 sika we. Sika ni here no bank of here or IMF for na $3 billion. Sa $52 billion we billion cedis. All the bad dollars man almost 12 billion cedis. 52 billion cedis we. Now the bad dollars man almost $12 billion. Ya call IMF and the MPP near here only 3 billion. IMF near ko any no. Na Ghana here only $3 billion. We need IMF bailout. Now only 3 billion. And so you're Kroma Makedo for your tiny MPP for $12 billion. Ever seen ne? Kwasia for Yeme Twabama MPP. Into when you see, in fact, Mr. Speaker, the average exchange rate at that time, 2020, now 5.7 to $1. Into the amount now in dollar equivalent, you know, it was almost around $10 billion. It was 9.96 billion. In 2020, time and nipano extra petition we akome Akufo-Addo no. Na sasika na aira from commercial bank to Bank of Ghana no. Na almost $10 billion. Ghana sika na aira. Ya jiji etwo na aira. Ye wie na se ko IMF ye ko $3 billion. Kwasiafo. So you see this letter? This was the petition that was sent to the president, NPP. Now Bawumia to cabinet. Bawumia was CC'd. Almost CC Bawumia. Now Brian Ochampo, a minister, he was CC'd. Canada, Japan, or Tna, a parliament. He saw the letter. 52 billion, $10 billion. Aira in 2020. I broke the story. En kwasiafo mujame. Na mensantina na emwati sa momra power. Na me Jimmy ana. NPP is a fucked up party. A party of criminals. A reformer. A Jimmy for now almost around on my press conference. Yantiasia. Me say a Jimmy for na mutie omo. This is a party full of criminals. Oh my Jimmy. They should first come and account to us. Baby, at $10 billion in the fire. 10 billion. So now you see, 10 billion. This man, I made sure in the story, no, his home was ransacked. They went after him for trying to see where the money went. This man. They went after him. They attacked him. Osako also tried petition me Kufuor to train and Kwasiafo. They took the money for free. Tamusikani for free. Ever seen they have shared the money. Kufuor de busu for Tamusikano. $10 billion. You think it's a joke? Do you know what 10 billion can do? You call IMF, no? We went to ask for 3 billion. Na ya Ghana, na nipa bi atam ye 10 billion. Na almost say yenko IMF na ye nyina yenko je 3 billion. Nipa bi tina Ghana tam ye 10 billion fire for free. This man chased the money. He went after him. Mesi we mo no MPP for o me firing squad vo. Ewurade Nyankopon. Mokura mama na easier more Ghana. Anything na echi omu bi na hu Kwasiafo jejina street say demonstration a tetena nkia yedika twia fa boso dada 10 billion na Kwasia bi jina station o say ne hu fie say fa ne koka ne sinyine tutu o ye de we station ne Kwasia wo bi atanka boat mutuo Kwasia bi nti party na wudi echi no o matam Ghana 10 billion emrante ne maba wate sebo Kwasia na ne nisa poncheni Kwasia pay as you go sa content creator Kwasia pay yibo ya ne hu fia na nisa de yetia na yasi sa eye sala boy si 100 Ghana 1000 Ghana 100 Ghana fui Kwasiafo mo betina mo social media Kwasia page na eguna mo musa Ghana for say ye 10 billion ne fa he mo ka mo krobeka bobu trimutuo. What do you people represent? You represent shit. You don't have any moral right to even talk about Ghana politics. Na Kwasiafo akwaje man ba o mia beba power odwan ye de shupan ye be wo trum. Kwasiafo mo hu bibi da on Kwasianka muni munyansa at your age. Mo yese mponchire nimba. Kamaga say hey, ejuma ni Ghana, ya 10 billion ne fa he. Ya 10 billion no under Ekufuado, under MPP. This $10 billion, 10 billion ne fa he. E moa, mo lucky kura. Cause you boom kuomu. Kwasiafo, ana ye de ni hwemo sa na sre, ne hwemo. Mo mfa mo party ni bra ma chere bia 10 billion ne she. Monche be a 10 billion she mo pe to me. Mo de to me ne yeden. Munya 10 billion mae. Mo pe to me. And then and me busa MPP for say, what do you need the power for? Mo the power ne yeden. What do you need power for? Power no mo de yeden. What are you using the power for? Mo the power no mo de yeden. Munim de ebesi wo Ghana nka munyina nka matete me se obi obesore wo Ghana bie na no se ai ende ye kasama baomia ye kasama Kennedy Japan ye kasama MPP ye ka mumbusa ne se ye 10 billion no wen sa Kwasia ne betena mu se ha Jimmy ye 10 billion no wen under your leadership 10 billion Eira Bank of Ghana. Can you put that energy in asking for that money? So mushia mo flag bearer and Kwasia forum so better mumbusa say ye 10 billion no wen. Mumbusa say 10 billion. Where is our 10 billion? You need power. To do what? Now, my mention wa Debbie Amekacham said the NPP is a dangerous political party. The NPP is a dangerous political party, and the NPP who say maybe me be 20 minutes near pong. They be a make mu bibi. I'll bring your mind back. They be a me I'll take it back. What was our question? Last me was a question. Me can some way. Sanka NPP we ni ya. Unim say anka nipa bi na anka ba be di muso. Anka nipa bi and anka ba be ministers. Omo na anka betina cabinet. Omo na anka omo be take decisions. Omo na anka omo be hwe musika sam so. Omo na omo be hwe e de munwuma sam so. Sanka NPP we ni ya. The same people you are seeing today omo di NPP echi e wo mo ho sekan e kekan sam o TV so no. these same people, omunanka omobaba tina eye abaimu. Do you know? So when people for now bufua, I know I catch on say, why are dear? When him says Sanka MPP we need all these people, Sanko for we. Sanko for TVC. Sanka MPP we need power. And can somebody like Ekwe we see, we need Ekwe we see. If you how to you check, beboa. Sanka you mistake need to me ma MPP. You see these people on the screen. Come be cabinet ministers. And come on be take decision about. Come on and come be govern Ghana. So also you show. The MPP as a political party. This is the setter. Na ebika omo. These are the people that MPP say omo babe take over Ghana. And the mechra set way. Mesa the another set a mechra. Eko we see me no kase wakoshe we dwana kote UK. O she UK sisi ya. Eko we see. We dwana kote UK. But let's look at this. Somebody like Ekwe we see Galamsey. Sanka MPP we need ya. And Ekwe we see be cabinet minister. Now ye kim your mind say Anka Ekwe we see. Obi to say Eugene Ahin. What's in Kabium? Eugene Ahin. Or we school no nye juma da. Obi Jina Jubilee House. Yetiana Rebecca Chere say what talk a dime bear 50. What talk cast? Eugene Ahino. Okoya kopesa okope MPD. MPP winia anka Eugene Ahin kebe ne minister. Eugene Ahin. And way. These are the people on standby. Oh, they are not done. Oh dear. Sanko fo nyina wo ho. Ana mu refi omo. Sika no mu wiya no, they are the ones going to pump in their stupid campaign. And also majority of these people, they are there. MPP we need power. And Kobiti say Akosua menu Ghana and Huni say Binino. Adenta. Also be lose elections no. And can nipa way obia on to me and differentiate ne hwene ene na no. Sa adie we and koba be minister. Hwe baby ana Ghana wo hwe your problem ani ewom na sa eye ehwene gbi we ebeba be minister. Nyansa be na sa girl we wonim. Okoye susu eboka. At the Korea mamada be popular when people say Mike menu ba na edino anything and the MPP for say or parliamentary material. Girl we ne hwene say bini. Anka women and keba be cabinet ministers. Women and kaba omiano mbejuma and they are still around. Don't forget, never underestimate. When we are danger, these people anka MPP we need power. Kankwasiafowe. Imagine. On some move brain no refi. On some move brain no refi. I say, hey, where ho? Yeah. Anka MPP we need anka KT Hammond koda who minister. KT Hammond. KT Hammond ochemponkwa. KT Hammond tuedua. KT Hammond so temponkwa na edua no oni. Anka MPP we need ya anka ponko with anko beye minister biem cabinet minister. KT Hammond so temponkwa so chen Somalia ponkwa na ontuedua. You have forgotten. Imagine Charles Bissiou. Charles Bissiou. Ne yire ene edian eye dokua. Ne yire ye fra no eye ne yire na wa ase ho no. Ana meboa. Ama dokua. Charles Bissiou yire one na wo Charles Bissiou ase no. Na oye MP ewo eye Ekuapem North wo sedien. Oye MP no ene oja ni seat to ho. Oje Ex-GRA. Oji sika eno saba kumas oba enkran okakwe ose eho oba be pressa seat no na oda ho ye MP Charles Bissiou ope galamsey black gold Charles Bissiou party here sika Charles Bissiou na nko bo person be MP Charles Bisu yenya ohene wo eye takrade na o support Charles Bisu say o medi Ghana for so. Charles Bisu refi no dangerous animal, hardened criminal. Wemu ene static gala omude machines etu from donko Charles Bisu sanka MPP wini ya kamene utie ka Charles Bisu kwa lance minister. Hey. They are still there. Yeah, mistake. These are the fools. Mesa betro another set. Murefi at the entem. Entina MPP nkwasiafo to me a press conference or Ghana. Cause ye shie dun so gu omo. Ye refi at the entem tina MPP to me a press conference. Cause ye shie dun so gu omo. One will be to say Pius Hajide. Visa racketeering or your criminal or uncle Australian kid jailing 22 years. Australian bra sana chre. Charles Pius Hajide. A and then yes, Brad the Champon campaign or in the LED or a spokesperson. You see the MPP, these are the people. They can't go out anywhere to bring anything new. They be able to somebody 2 minutes a day. These are filthy people, dirty, filthy people. They are filthy minded ingrates. Thank you to Obama MPP King. Ka women and come your cabinet ministers. Jefferson Saki. I'm a reporter. I'm not biased. I don't do politics. I report on what is happening in Africa and beyond. Hey, on Canada, not bonkum. MPP about power. Quick. Or your jandama and the better Jubilee House. Anche no kope seats afa Iwo Ghana. Eura Parliament. Jefferson Saki. Or Tina Jubilee House. The media contract or jinina millions of dollars or Jano about Canada. They remember how much. What's your win called Parliament? No good Jubilee House or so no suit. Say ye Jimmy. Come in here just sit. These were the people who were going to make decisions for you. Now just on Kobecha 11 we will never. Only say we emission tax Kobecha never. Only so bet me why no how bet me stop chema want to me. Why na was ankwasiafo bo betu begina chema mutumi anim aka say galamse na wo ye na okun Ghana fo no jai. Why na betu stop Ekufo? Where mu why na betu stop MPP ni bi? That is what I am talking to you about. There is no leader. Omo mu di impenifo na chino mu ye akromfo che impenifo no. Somebody like Nana Ama Dokuya, makana aswachiro, Charles Bisu ne yire no. The Osha Charles Bisu ase no, on your friend Nana Ama Dokuya, another filthy politician. Political prostitute. Oh yeah, MP. Ewo, baby. Ekuapem. Oda who ye MP. Osimi ni MP ni wiye. Meba enkrabe pre MP. That's a question for we. Sure oba nim. Onyem no oba wo abrochire no oba osi an by force. Or kwa kwaji o kan kwa seat no or kwa jiafa. Ni kunu ye galamse. Na ni kunu so kopie de takrade Mirefi constituency no, Dr. Professor constituency no. Ni kunu say also by force or the Galamsey Kwaji constituency no. The two of them wanted to enter parliament. Katan esikado katan na Charles Bisu so ako esikado katan on free ho na ahemfu bi so no so adan okuta Galamsey sika. Kwasiafo we they were in the Flagstaff house. And they were all marking time. They were marking time. They wanted to enter parliament. They'll become cabinet ministers. Do you see the danger? We should not make a mistake again. Obi to say how akum sin. On say ende how akum sin. Still, Ophilis obi to my national women's organizer NPP. It tells you something. And how akum sin sees herself say, or yeah, a better material to be the national women's organizer of the NPP. Busa won say, hey, adentra, party this was ano. And one does a chain nipano. How akumsin twito bonipa tuo. How akumsin. How akumsin. Na noa wode be kasa akenkan kura onim. How akumsin. And MPP for say ye pe how akums na den because the record che say wa botu nti obetuma a national women's organizer internal MPP ma how akums sin or person ye national women's a dirty referee who could not even speak wait.
That was our promise. We said one village, one dam. We didn't say, how do you call it? One Bui dam or one Akosubun dam for the village. We said one village. And when we talk about one village in a dam, my sister, we some of us know the kind of dam we're talking about. It's not the bigger type. It's for the people to use during drought. The animals will not go far so that people will steal them away or they will go and die on their way. Because if they are not getting water, definitely they will die. So you needed some water close to the village so that they can use for domestic. That's all.
You said it's not looking, it doesn't look.
I'm telling you the fact that NDC did, we're coming out with those pictures. Something that was not even as big as what we have done. And that's why I'm proud of myself, of what I'm doing. Because I have seen what they did. And if you compare the two, you can see the difference.
So you are saying that these dams are exactly what you promised?
Yes. Then look at the cost. 250,000 Ghana cedi. 250,000 Ghana cedi. If you are constructing a meaningful dam, you don't need anything less than $3 million. $3 million, so not Ghana cedi. So if I'm constructing 250,000 Ghana dam, then what kind of dam are you expecting from me? I hope you're getting me. So that's the kind of dam we've promised the people. We didn't say we are going to construct the 3 million type or 6 million Ghana cedi, 10 million Ghana cedi type of dam for them. No. And this dam are being sponsored with the 1 million per constituency. What we were allocated with the 2018 is what we are using for. So definitely, if you with me, then at the end of the day, you're using the whole of the 1 million for one constituency, not one village.
So you are saying that if they wanted a huge dam or the bigger one,
yeah,
it means that it will cost more.
It will cost more. And that one is not under my ministry, it's under the Ministry of Agric, because they are doing irrigation. They handle agric aspect of it. You understand? So that one is under the agric ministry.
This is what we lived with. One now. You give me 400,000 for 3 million. Yeah, I go for a critique ministry man, a special initiative. Say Obusa say, girl study say Obusa detailed question. So it is under the Ministry of Agric. We are initiative. Sabon some way. Anka Bawumia Winnie Power King. How a kumsin? The special initiative. Obulos can we any say call fisheries. Yes, one fisheries minister. Na chichiri ne koto fisheries ministry e no koto apunim sankofu ameka o masem kirewi these people, they would have been cabinet ministers. It is sometimes, and this no, let's hold it well. Anka wemu enebe govern Ghana. Akwana osasi on the mrekuduka oto asidi guni penim. Imrebi, yasene sister biti Virginia ha baby. Na oboko kachire Solomon Owusu. Solomon Owusu eye minor. And kachire Kevin say Kevin in Jaime mrekuduka asema kana they will start legal action. So mo bodam. Bo je say kusie bi na ti America. Solomon from can say ni para the message ni send on catch and say court bi oba America bi on famra mrekuduka me catch them 2024 say mrekuduka will lose his seat manganjira mu mrekuduka oya galamsey utu galamsey de me say oda man ajutu beti de o be pia bontina okuta machine ba obofom mrekuduka anka mrekuduka mu na o ka say mrekuduka ekufo de yer minister lands akwana odiboba no yasa koma no land minister afi o mene boba ma paima no mrekuduka mene boba now nim dia ya I'm showing you this because me person who the MPP no sankomo we need power. These are your people who be ministers. Yeah, dia ya ne say unima kwawe. You know this guy? Me chira o MPP no unima kwawe. Your friend Joseph Adu unim no. You don't know him. Member of Parliament for La Dadi Kotopon constituency. Unim no. MPP we need ya. Unima kwawe. Unim akwawi senka MPP we need power unim ke djuma nke de no unim ni oye Nanado Danko Ekufuado personal driver we oko contest for seat Nanado Danko Ekufuado ne personal driver ni 2024 Ekufuado ka so nko parliament no onya ne minister wait. Nanado Danko Ekufuado MPP forecast onko parliament. So Nanado Danko Ekufuado ne driver contested to be a member of parliament. What's your way? Ekufuado driver onye Joseph Ado ne yire so contested ye ne yire wini ye. Imbre bi na nsen ya na ne yire gira parliament ejimi no ho. Time no mu jimi omo say they are going to work out. Ne yire na na sha pink bi no. Bofro to bi no. Ne yire no. All the paper to us on trade equal to me. Now $10 we no $10. 2024 elections. Now $10. Ekufuado driver nie. This guy would have gone to parliament and become a cabinet minister. Anytime I will say MPP na muhuni sano. Don't underestimate that party. Mami antina Ghana njini say adena ya no. Masa let's protect what we have. They will scream, they will make noise, they will insult, they will fight each other. Let us ignore them. Let's not pay attention to the NPP. Allow them to fool themselves. Joseph Adon. Oh, team, get me the wife's video. I think you shared it with me. Metro no parliament, no Jimmy no. Na parliament. Okasaka krapana draws more for. Why bem? Mese na yiro parliament. Okasa 2 minutes banana draws more for. Debe okuta hankin or parliament. Na yire no. Team, get me that woman's video. Na me fanchira Ghana for. Joseph Ado, Ekufuado's personal driver or contested sobeko parliament. Na yire parliament. Or a first timer. Now pe omo Jimmy or parliament pa sa akwa na yire. Mese okasa krapana no afọ. Okasa krapana ne draws more for. Uboso kuta parliament no kuta hanki no de for the mutuom no for the chin kwachi. Mese the BP da 833. Or the parliament because ni kru no just free flag staff house and ono so $10 and ye jimiti ye de Joseph Adwe ya de ne yira go tna parliament akwa we for the personal driver no. Team, get me the wise video. Nancy parliament na o jimi no ne yire no gigri yan ti asiam hwe no fifre Mr. You had one free. Ne won fifre as o chibo fruit. Na ejey ne yiri nie mamfa na yiri nkyere mo. Ne yiri nie o jimi ne ho parliament. Akwa we ne yiri tumi making it to parliament. Flagstaff House sika. Ah, unim the MPP betuma aye. Let me show you. Thank you team for bringing the picture. But there's a video of the wife fooling in parliament. Ne yiri nie. Betu ni profile akyere mo ne yiri nie. Honorable Gloria Owusu, member of parliament for Trobu. O jimi wo parliament rough. Made in the profile, Chirawa, made in the profile. She holds diploma, Bible college. The profile ni, monko parliament, monko he, ni profile ni. Akwani yiri ni, ubo mo jimi o parliament abami wo kam. De bia le won fifiri aso ton wache. Me say me chirawo. Ye be pon me chira mu. Onie. Ma me fa ni profile chirawo, the profile ni. Member of parliament for the following previous parliament, none. The first time or first time MP. Education. Charisma Bible College Diploma 2011. Glotex Company Limited Managing Director. We be a provision shop. Yeah, there you go. Ye Jimmy Bruta na we tigana na nipa bi so MPP so. Me be chiro na yiri video, me be chiro Okasa 2 minutes na the one fifre. O te parliament na o Jimmy trouble for na de buy o mu tu ska. Me be chiro yo Jimmy o Jimmy o parliament. Me pesa wo te MPP na se. Onie. Oko Charisma Bible School. Ready ya go bo. Onie. Na yiri no ni ona sha pink no mo hwe no onie.
Press conference number 89.
Oh Jimmy no. Yes, we dey pay honorable way. Okasa 2 minutes na draw small for. Me say muntina no kasa. We MPP for we.
My words. It will never happen in this country. Say you be re-election wa Brekumanov. Mini aba.
The inti say let
re-election wa Brekumanov. Mini aba.
The inti say let
say you be re-election wa Brekumanov. Mini aba.
The inti say electoral commission forecast.
It will never happen in this country.
Electoral commission forecast say
electoral commission for say. Omo anka say say you be re-election wa Brekumanov. Mini aba.
The inti say electoral commission forecast.
Say you be re-election wa Brekumanov. Mini aba.
The inti say electoral commission forecast.
It will never happen in this country.
Electoral commission
say you be re-election wa Brekumanov. Mini aba.
The inti say electoral commission forecast.
It will never happen.
These are the people. Can people we need ya? Ni kunu na netwe kufu ado. Akonwana no mutwifa Ghana hakoba no na enu kunu na twika no. Opa Brekumanov for no wakuntokwa. Washa wig atwe akwechiri ema nitiri anu na awewe na ache. Wakoto Cambodia for wig ahye apaila atum. Oka Abrekumafo asem. Emu afu e Ghana kurodim. First time the first time parliament ni we did 4 months per parliament. Where you be no? All the parliamentary proceedings man so on kind or doing kind standing orders or nim there be an 12 Gwemuno, me say MPP as a political party don't pay any attention to them. nyama kini Jimmy omo. Wait, on my parliament biem metuno. Wait, metuno. Wait, metuno simple. Me just sit na my NDC. Wait, metuno simple. Me just sit in the pa. Me bonne set anoma. Me bonne set adwene pa dra. Me de dra tu so me bonne pa. Wait, na adwene wo form. Me just sit in jefe. Me jini jefe. Ya ka say jefe what you say. Me jini simple. No effort. Me jini jefe pa. Me jama NDC. Obo Cambodia we gabe Abrekuma North. Wano se srebo. Motete Ghana nkwasiafo na moso so. Asaru kakada me say. Last story near pon. Asem papa ba. De aba nyina ne se ende NDC aban aye bibia sebio. Eye o se ma ye nyina ye neje. De na si. Agigim okuja to ablakwa. Ende akofe biaba. UK visa applicants in Kumasi to access new application center within the metropolis from June 26, 2026. Yes, say. NDC abayna ba. And the 2-4% oko UK. And this about Accra Beji visa. Yes, say and the NDC 4 ama UK 4 ebie office wo Kumasi. Hey, Momianda NDC ase. Momianda NDC ase na NDC. Hey, NDC mo your mind. NDC your mind. You see, and the NDC UK for the biomuti Accra nkwa Emma aya visa no. And from the 26th of this month. And the Asante for any so omofa VIP. Eba nkran. NDC edi enibie eba Kumasi. NDC edi aya enibie or the impuntio or the NBA eba Kumasi into UK for embassy no. What they are going to do in the say, and you don't need to go to Accra. Be application center into technically be embassy ni biwo Kumasi. NDC asad impuntio abefie. Okuja to ablakwa adia enkwasiafo edi watem no and they would impuntu abra sante sa sante fo pa ekaya or some of roba sante mem no mo bo abaso se we ahunani a woni nyansa and then Kenya ahunani o ye foreign affairs minister na bai wo so and this aban a omni UK fo atena se edi nkomo a kire mo se asante fo so ye nipa so omo hini ntumi nto ono ani plane kura omo ye nipa. Sa Asante for hene any sika obeto no ani plane atenem for security reasons etumetu kwan ma yebuna sebio eno kura na omo ye nipa so otekoko so kura no oni plane na se sebio obi a ofri oman ketwa so etubi top plane jumbo jet esa bedun kan fa plane ketwa ba Kumasi na eno kura no ohun ne se ha adwene a still NDC for hu Asante for se omo ye nipa intime na woka sei NDC for okuja ta blakwa omo dienim aka kire UK for say omo mbie embassy e wa santimemu say yatisika kokko so kra de kenten betu kwan a sabio ende ye de embassy beba santimemu sa santi kai nko ade a e kira santi nkai e kira santi didimen e kira santi no men e kira santi enkai e kira asante ye boniaye e kira asante sebio omo ye pesemi nkumunya se na asante pa ni da ho na asante di no kore na asante ye oman a omo ka no kore a o san komo fre otumfo na omo ka che otumfo se nana ma NDC okujata blakwa ene John Mahama mra ne bo mabaso na omo di mpuntu abafie ende ye the UK aba PZ ende obintumi frookrasini a oba interview and the umbejine duase and the umafaka will be kase yabeshimu paper and the obintumi njina nkran kase nkurasefo pa be visa and the NDC nti ye the impuntio abefie JA Kufo betena Ghana so 8 years Nana do dan Kufo ado ne ba wo mi Kennedy Japan brand champion en kwasiafo nyina betena Ghana so another 8 years 16 years omontuma fa one embassy amba asantimemu NDC aye airport ama santiman asade aye embassy aba santimemu umpewe na pa bodam for party Jemetuma ka chon say eyezu eza enibre so de ka no ye ndi agro ye mbe ye ezu unua esa eza ye besia ochena ye bedwudwam ama Ghana fo hu no kure no ye nyina ye asomafo ende ohina besra wa santimemu